Sanibonani guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mkosinaphile. Thank you so much for tuning in. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi subscribe mangabe ka subscribe, like video, abuye share video, okay? Thank you so much you guys. So now guys, ngiyakhumbula ngisenza video if uyibukile leya video last few days ago. Mangithi yena ulachonco kuthiwa uthi yena ke kukhona okuzodalulwa ngaye, khona izinto abezizophuma ngaye. And ezizokwenza ukuthi abantu bakhulume ngaye. So ke usejwayeli phela yena ukuthi kakhulukazi mangabe you are always in the public eye, people are gonna have a lot to say about you into kanjalo. Wathi so angina nkinga, ngiyazi khona indaba ezizophuma, angina nkinga ukuthi abantu bathini, sengiqinile futhi nge-right and I'm ready for them to talk. Kwawula chonco lo you guys, unonkanyiso khonco owayengu angazi, she was engaged, right? They were engaged, but I did hear ukuthi ubaba uZuma, he did pay ilobola and everything, sebenengane futhi into kanjalo guys, but they got engaged, I remember, but angazi ukuthi wayeshadiwe into kanjalo guys, but I remember they were engaged, right? So angazi ukuthi ku right ukuthi wayeyinkosikazi kaBaba uZuma, but I don't think they were married, but ilobola laselikhokiwe allegedly. So ke ulachonco guys siyamazi futhi when it comes to the Real Housewives of Durban, and into eyiningi you guys la simbona khona ulachonco ever since she was engokababa uZuma. I think she started being there and there, okay? So ke mangibona lesi story lapha kayisolezwe bekhuluma ukuthi uthi ulachonco kune but yini le reality show, I think kunalaba ikhipha khona bayiko Jamaica bekonze ibukwayo khona ngale kuthiwa the Real Housewives are ultimate girls trip, something like that. So ke wathula chonco uthe uyazi khona indaba ezizophuma ngaye ezwenza ukuthi abantu bakhulume. Ngasengithi ngabe do you remember you guys watched that video? So now jikijiki ulachonco uyaposta on her Instagram stories you guys, uposta ke udaba lwakhe, uhambo lwakhe nje lompilo ever since ke eyintombi into bezohlolwa kuzothini, izohlangana noBaba uZuma, ichaza nje indlela akhula ngakhona ekhuliswa nguma wakhe as a single mom, ngathi ngempela nje wakhuliswa kahle nguma oyimele alright, wakhulisa abantu abake even though babehlala emjondolo into ekanjalo you guys, washira konke lokho, but she shares a lot laphiyana ngesikhathi sakhe noBaba uZuma ukuthi abantu bakhulume ngempela njengebo wayeshilo ukuthi uyazi abantu bazokhuluma. Hayi angazi ukuthi zisazokuphuma izindaba on the Real Housewives Ultimate Girls Trip or yizo lezathi njengoba zikhishwa uye, or mhlambe la obesefuna ukuthi mhlambe avele ahambe phambili bezothi abantu mabe bezothi izothi show mayidlala ebe yini esesinikezile okuncanyazana akukuncane kodwa kuningi lokho you guys, because she posted so many slides lapha ka Instagram stories. Ngile ngayothatha lawo ma slides you guys ngoba bengifuna nje ukuthi ngenze i-video about it, njengoba eshilo vele sizokhuluma, isikhulumile nisisakhuluma futhi ngoba ubelokhu satrenda ulachonco after sharing i-story sakhe lapha ka Instagram. It's just a long thing, but I did take all those slides you guys kanjalo. So ulachonco uchaza ngohambo lwakhe lempilo ukuthi bakhula kanjani, bekhulele emjondolo, ekhuliswa uma wakhe, bakhula kahle, isikhathi ke lapho practice usiko lelo bathi yini guys suka lakwaZulu ukuthi niyahlolwa ke ubuntombi into ekanjalo konke lokho you guys. Angiyena umZulu ngiyaxolisa but ngikhuluma isiNdebele me right. Bakhona phela labazoza bethi hey isiZulu sakho, hayi angiyena umZulu you guys. So ke into nansi ekhulumisa abantu you guys, she shares la khuluma khona ngoBaba uZuma khona uzwakala sengathi umuntu owaphuka inhliziyo when it comes to ke uthando lwakhe noBaba uZuma, okay? Uzwakala engumuntu engathi ngempela uBaba uZuma wamphula inhliziyo, of which mina I am bored nje ngempela ukuthi hawu umuntu omdala hawu ukuphula inhliziyo yomntana kanje, because guys eqinisweni you can tell ukuthi ulachonco ngenzeka she moved on but akakayikhohla lento eyenzeka you guys ukuthi okay, I feel like wayezitshelile ukuthi uzoba ngoMrs Zuma, waseyaphoxeka ekuhambeni kwesikhathi lapho mangabe izinto sezitshintsha zingasahambi ngendlela yena kade efuna ngakhona, okay? So I feel pain for her ngoba bakhona bathi even me I'm part of those people who were saying ulachonco kaka movie on ever since bahlukana noBaba. We did not know the reasons behind the separation yabo, but uyezwakala on those Instagram stories ukuthi he haven't moved on. kungenzeka yena uthi she have moved on, but I can tell you guys, I think ugela kaka move on. Kukhona la asafila khona ipain ukuthi awu njani ngoba ngangitshela ukuthi nobaba se right. Njani wangijikela baba. Isizathu vele sabahlukanisa kwaba yini you guys mangabe you know, because hey sharing there akhuluma ngendlela esweet nje mayikhuluma ngobaba uZuma athi na into yenza abantu bababaze kakhulu bizwa ubaba uZuma ngesoka. Wathi ngesikhathi esinjena lapha wahlangana nesoka la kwaZuma. Abantu bathi hayi girl ubiza ubaba ngesoka. Ngoba isoka siyazi ukuthi umuntu osasemusha nje uyazi indoda nje umuntu osasemusha nje the gent ubiza ubaba ngesoka. Bese ngibuye mina ngithi hi guys bekuyisoka lakhe inkosi yamba kithi noma baba bebemdala nje. I remember you guys by the time of uLaqhengcwane wabo uZuma. When I heard about it, I heard about her being 24 by the time. I still remember kwakubatshaza abantu bethi kuthi ubaba uZuma uthole ingane na 24. I still remember namhlanje. So I think allegedly now she's 32 somewhere there if I'm not lying, you know. So ke la ngiphoxeka khona ukuthi wayimthola esaseyintombi because yabona lama slides akuqala you guys ngoba slides akuqala uthi stay here and let me share my story, right? Esesibili wasethi yena my mom and I used to stay in the squatter camp near Palm Ridge, Johannesburg. She raised me in a shack. It was so clean and cooked every meal with love. As a child, I saw nothing bad. She is not a woman of words, but saw how she was content and comfortable as a single mother. And how hustling to provide for us was important to her. This image ngangisayitshitshi-ke la isithombe leso wayisayitshitshi ngingakathombi before my menstruation besesemncane ngaleso sikhathi you guys. Kwase kuba neslide ke lapha esilandelayo futhi nakhona bonakala besaseyintombi ngempela. What I was invited to partake in a march in Pietermaritzburg where we were voicing that no one forces nor abuses us to remain virgins. There are still people out there who dislike this culture and will do anything to talk ill or misuse power to discourage those who love this lifestyle. It was a choice for myself. I was working as a journalist here. Rented a flat in Durban, did an ad hoc jobs and was able to buy my first car. Nangukiye sandleni, it was so fun driving in this. It was fascinating to people. Into kanjalo sambona nje uphethe isikhiye semoto into kanjalo. Kunama slides amaningi you guys, nama slides yabona nje uyachaza lapha wayeseyintombi kodwa esenemoto yakhe seyisebenzela njengoma wabo abakhulisa kahle noma babekhulele emtshonto. Siyazazi ingane eziningi ezikhulele emtshonto you guys, they're very successful. And then kulesi slide noma ngijumpile amanye ama slide la you guys ngoba angifuni video ibende. Please go to my other channel Philile Papras Entertainment uzothola ngwafake wonke kune video engwafake wonke lawo ma slides bengiwafunda kodwa ke you guys we are not going to do this in this one. Now labona uthe yena ngashelwa isoka la kwaZuma ngaqoma, we were seeing each other here for 4 years and then we then created a bubble that we lived in. People around me could tell that I was in love but I didn't know with who. The circle felt my presence too. Some did and Dick found out my pictures. Some waited until he was ready to introduce me. I was in my era of airport and hotels every week. Udwaye ku era yoma airport and hotels phela eloke hambe vakashela ubaba bebonana kuma airport nama hotels every week mntakabawo. Ngiyohlola phela isoka la lisebenza khona. Sometimes I would see him 30 minutes and ngibe fine. This time of my life was a big test of being loyal to my values and principles. Into kanjalo washare nje ama slide alandela ngizowaphosa la kune slide futhi lapha esinendandatho uthi he called me. I remember I was coming from work and he says akomele sifuna uphawu ntombi ukuze noma ubani azobona ukuthi ingoduso yomuntu eyingahleka kanti ke he is telling me we must look for a ring. I viewed a few in Cape Town, Pretoria. This one in Durban was for me. The picture here I directed isoka on how to snap this one. Wahleka lapho sithi you can imagine how many takes ke le ndandathu yadala ukukhuluma ngoba isoka laziwa kodwa liyashida imani ukhazimula kwalo akusho ubukhulu bomnikazi. Yonke indawo la khuluma khona ngoba uZuma kusweet ngiyawajump ama slide kunjena nje you guys, you know. Lana ke kwesinye lesagqoke pink ukuthi staying a virgin was a personal choice. I never was a maiden who kept it for marriage or a husband. After he paid ilobola and indandatho, I think, and after putting the ring on the after engagement, I never felt pressure when I was ready for the baby dance. It happened, okay? His position never faced me. My position in life, in his life, I never questioned it because he showed me love. He loved me aloud behind closed doors, and that intimidated me. Many to date into nje kwaba nama slides kwasekuza kulesi slide uthi before we confirmed we pregnant, my breast was the first sign. He told me I was pregnant. It pissed me off. Wezwa ngaye babuzuma ukuthi ukhulelwe. But was he lying? He said to me, kune bridge la elosihlanganisa kunaphakade. There is a bridge here that will connect us forever. Esho ephulula isisu. I was sure I had cancer. How? Kanti amathambo agcwele isithi. Kuninga ukukhuluma ngobaba uZuma, you guys, nganale slide la kwakuyi birthday kababa uZuma, ilanga akhululeka ngalo athola ingane. Remember kwashiwo ukuthi ingane kaLachonco uyazalwa the same day birthday kababa uZuma, so they share a birthday baba uZuma nomntanakhe into ekanjalo la khuluma khona nje ngobaba uZuma. Abafethu angiyawashiya wonke lama slide kodwa ngizowaphosela ku screen, okay? Ubusu uyaphosa ke lapho uzifundele ukuthi uLachonco akaka movie on from ubaba uZuma, and ngiyamjaja mina ubaba because he broke, allegedly, okay, angifuni ukuboshwa, he broke her virginity. After that he broke her heart. Na into engicasula it's in keep a volume. He broke her virginity and her heart. Njani mdakabawo njani? You guys, like, so ngiyacabanga ngithi yazi ukuthi maningi kanjani amadoda awadinga lama virgin nabo mpumelelo baze bawafuna ama virgin. Did you hear Mpumelelo Mseleku asekhulelisa omama bengane ababili bonke aqeda athi hayi mase ngishada mina ngifuna intombi into ufuna ivirgin ingane. Abafana uMpumelelo bathola ama virgin bayawafuna. Ubaba uZuma gets one, and what does he do ngaleyo virgin? Efuna igenge yabafana le ubaba uthola ivirgin and udlala ngayo. Because I still do not understand bahlukaniswa yini ngoba nanku wayesekhiphile ilobola basebe engaged kwase kumele nje amshade nje kuvele abe uMrs Zuma. And then what happened? Because ugirl, you guys, akaka movie on. Yamlimaza leyo nto yokuye kwababa uZuma ukuthi kwathini ongabe isikhathi lese baba uZuma ayinenkinga mhlambe kwelene isikhathi phela lapha ayisese inkingeni isebe umfake ejele into ekanjalo mhlambe ikho lokho kwamosha into eyiningi. I do not know the reasons of the separation kodwa engikwazi ukuthi sisters inhliziyo yakhe yaphuka. Ukhona omunye uthe uLachonco was just in love with his status. So kuba nje uMrs Zuma na yonke into, you know, she really didn't love him. But mina okay, I understand the status, but why isanda ka movie on ngathi nasotha yazwa nenkulumo zakhe lezi ukuthi no, she was deep in love. Mhlambe nasi status vele ukuthi phela ngizoba uMrs Zuma kodwa ke hayi ugeli uzwakala limele enhlizweni bese mina ngiyamjudge umuntu omdala ngithi hayibo siphula inhliziyo yabafana abancane sibuye siphula inhliziyo yabantu abadala. Imagine ukuphula inhliziyo ikhehla wena. Phela khumbula phela ubaba wayesese upresident, right? So she was so into that Mrs Zuma, okay? Cabanga ukuganela nje kwaZuma into kanjalo uthethwe ubani uMr President. I think kwamlimaza ugeli lo whatever reason of the separation uyazwakala lapha namayithi no ukhona ubaba empilweni engane yakhe, he's there fully, you know, uyadlala indima yakhe as ubaba and all that. But what changed his mind is what is bothering me, because usisi uzwakala ngathi wayengakabi nenye indoda before. Angazi maybe mhlambe she was ama boyfriend but make sure ukuthi untombi bakhe akadlali ngabo until kwafika ubaba, kwafika umuntu omdala wathatha lowo buntombi. I think nalento le yamlimaza uLasi. I think nalento le yamlimaza ukuthi ngazigcina ngaziphatha kahle kanjena ngaze you know ngathola umuntu omdala nanku manje sekaya ngizalisa ingane sekaya ngishiya futhi. Hayi guys, ngiyamjudge ubaba honestly. uLachonco guys aka movie on. uLachonco khona la limala khona noma ngathi okay I've moved on, I've accepted. Kukhona lama slides alandelayo yasho ukuthi accepta nga move on. Kubese kuba khona ipath la mention khona ukuthi waba broke. after that uma wakho wamsiza ngo-3,000 waqala ibhizinisi into eyikanja. I'm like, girl, kanti ngesikhathi uzana nobaba uZuma abengaphuma amamiliyoni, nawe ubungayithole nawe imiliyoni kaloku like i-1.5 like 1.5 inyana miliyoni. Hayibo, how come she got broke after that? It doesn't make sense. Imagine when you are engaged to the president of the country, after that senhlukene niba broke, ubengakunikeza imali, you didn't save something, or uyazibuzela nje you guys, because how did she get broke? Njani mntakaba? Because after that I think she had to pick up, wazama waphandela ingane yakhe wa pick up. Okay, ubaba wengane, he's there fully financially. How much does he bring for mntana? Like, how did we get broke? Oh, masithi broke sikhuluma ngamalini kahle kahle, because girl, you cannot be ifiance yakaba president after sikhatshinyana nahlukana so broke. Hakuna 1.5 inyana million ayishile akade mhlambe kunikeza nawo ubeke bank something like that. Like, I do not get everything you guys. Angifuni ukumjudge ngalokho. Obviously mhlambe uthando lwabo lungalona lemali, but ube broke kanjani after? You know what I mean? But as for inhliziyo, inhliziyo yona ngathi yaphuka shame. Wayiphula ubaba. I'm like, imagine nje being heartbroken by an old man. Sikhala kangaka ngale intanga zethu bafethu nangabantu abadala imbala. Hayi mina yamzwelula see you guys, because I can tell ukuthi yamphatha kabi leyo nto, whatever yamhlukanisa nobaba yamphatha kabi. You can tell kulama slides ebesethi yena she accepted and moved on. But bese ngithi the fact that you keep on talking about it, because it's not the first time she talks about. Someone even said every time she gets a chance she wanna mention that Zuma president part, which means she was obsessed. Okay, I think ikhona lento man engamphathanga kahle, so I'm like, isn't there any chance ukuthi mhlambe bayilungise lento babuyelana? I'm like because guys ngifuna aphole lesisilonde sikuyena. She can say she moved on mntaka baba. No, she haven't. And the fact that vele she why isigcinile, I think na into emlimazayo wagcina kathi wasiphatha kahle intombi into wameka sure nje ukuthi until 20 something, and then kufika ubaba, and then ubaba uyakuthatha lokho. After that she's dumped, left with a baby. Now he's a baby daddy. She has to move on after kuyiphatha kahle ungaka. Hayi kodwa abantu abadala, no. Mina ngiyamjudge ubaba, ngiyamjudge ulachongo for, I think, but she was there for being in that Zuma, Imagine that era that she's talking about, the airports and hotels era mtakabao. I think yonke leyo nto, wow, girl, ibingaphumula lapha imali for you to save. I'm not talking about now. I know now she's not broke. That time lathi khona she was broke and umawake had to help. Uba wengane bekuphi engasi mhlambe isikhathi la kade sejele khona. I'd like to understand that part. But anyways, ama 1.5 laphana sisajola sisaye ema-hotel ne ubaba besaseyi president imali beyiphuma. But I'd like to understand ubaba njalo unomzi omkhulu, unomndeni omkhulu, mhlambe umikhona imali phela kumele babelane like baningi into ekanjalo. I'd like to understand that part as well. After that waseye jele, hayi kuningi. But as for uLassie, I feel sorry for her. Ngingangijudge, but I feel sorry for her. I feel like waphula inhliziyo ikhehla. I'm gonna say it very loud. Inhliziyo kaLassie yaphula ikhehla, ugelo walimala inhliziyo ngoba ikhehla lathatha the virginity laphinda laphula nenhliziyo. Akaphulanga ngokukodwa, waphula ngokubili. Imagine, waphula ngokubili, and she was dumped and left to be a baby mama. That is very hurtful, especially if that person was the president of the country. Hayini bafethu. Okay, bengithi angishare lokho you guys on this particular, because I did a video ukuthi ulachonga ukuthi zikhona into ezizovela and uyazi abantu bazokhuluma. Sesikhulumile girl, ngicela inhliziyo yakhe iphole sisi, ayisebenzanga le ndaba yakwaZuma. Asimuveni on isithanda sami, because yena yalimala inhliziyo. I can tell the fact that she keeps on mentioning it. Babuhlungu inhliziyo. I think namanje mhlambe ipholile, but ayikapholisis. You know what I mean? But anyways, your thoughts in the comment section. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi like i-video, usubscribe, ushare, and then sihlangane njalo kwenye video elandelayo. Bye.